Beef pizza ki dulu be ochin tamparanga ki wrap use be the wrap ki thokalu pizza sauce tele jumbe uniform be lushina cheese ready be telenga ki beef means ti tachiranga ki missing be ready be jai fats ti sudun tambe nani beef means tele jumbe lu tele ti ki thokalu ima hum chi tele jumbe to chung be to belu tele ti ki thokadu cheese sorry onion azichi to be tani onion de lejun belu beshinale degi tokhalo cheese jo dele cheese de uniform belu shinale dele mentengi electric skillet nalu chu tenga chi oven zumbe preheat be mengo te kara de be chu khaptu tam shinale temperature de 190 degree dele time de 10 minutes na set be jawajin after 10 minutes the pizza will be ready and it came out so good, it was so yum. Thank you so much.